This is my drawing of Sammyni Spyderini from Brainrot, and today I'll guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen or pencil and let's get started. We'll begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the bottom edge of the hat. Let's start on the left side. We're going to draw a straight line going all the way across towards the right. It's right about there. Now let's flatten off the ends with a straight line going up. And again, we're just going to draw another straight line going across from left to right. Now we're going to pull the head in. So from the bottom corners of the hat brim, step in, draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom of the head on the left, and then the right side. And then we're going to close off the bottom. Let's draw that same size square along the top. So we're just going to line this up, go all the way up toward the top of the hat, and then we'll flatten this off. Let's add a trim across the bottom of the hat from left to right. Now we're going to go in and add in the face. So we're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start with the eye on the left. Draw a small square. And we're going to fill that in black. Let's add a large pixelated spider on top of the right eye. So we're going to start with a larger rectangle. On the top corners, let's draw a small square going out. Now I'm going to fill those in black. And then from the bottom corners, add another small square and then fill those in black. Now right in the middle, let's draw a straight line going across the mouth. On the left side, let's draw the tongue. We're going to curve this down and then up. Let's pixelate the corner of the mouth going up, across, and then up. Flatten off the top, come down, in, add one more line coming down, then in behind the tongue. Let's continue this line going all the way across towards the right, go up, out, and then up, flatten off the right side. Now I'm going to fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now with the head complete, we're going to start adding those block legs. Let's start with a square tucked in underneath the left corner of the body. So we're going to go out, go straight down, go across the bottom with that same length line, go up underneath the body. Let's do the same thing on the right. So we're just going to line this up, going out, come down towards the same height, pull this in, and then up. Now right where the side of the head meets that square, we're going to draw a straight angle line going up and then out across the top of the legs. From the top, we're going to draw that same size square. So let's start with a straight line going across the top, down, in, and then back up. Let's do the exact same thing on the right side. Now halfway along this square, right in the middle, we'll draw a straight angled line coming down and then in, and then we'll angle this up in behind. Now we want to stack a series of blocks in the same side underneath coming down at an angle. So we start halfway along this line, go halfway out, come all the way down, come in, and then tuck that up underneath. Let's try the exact same thing on the right. Now we'll continue to do that 2 more times coming down. So again, halfway down, going halfway out, full length down, in, and then up, and then one more time. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's sign up art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Sammyni Spyderini from Brainrot. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.